In front of me is the DOOGEE S86 Pro, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset on this phone. So whenever you have some unknown issues with your device, if it just stuck for some unknown reason, tap on power button and just hold it. Keep holding. And now, when you feel the vibration, you can release the button, and within a couple of seconds it will be rebooted again and it should work properly. And that's it. As you can see now, you can smoothly use your device. So that would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.